Hello everyone, I'm William from Hsun Wang. Today I'm going to share a little bit more about our company and highlight the product. We are specifically targeting the exporter. As you can see, we see ourselves as a manufacturer and exporter. Our head office is located at Zhanghua. We are specialized in crimping tool and related accessories for the electrical and automotive market since 1997. Especially our famous exchangeable crimper is granting patent in Germany, USA, Taiwan and China. With technical support from German partners, Hsun Wang continually launch new and cutting-edge products to fulfill the market demand every year. Not only that, Hsun Wang has earned a good reputation in the industry around the world. Because of it, high precision performance and German-designed-made-in-Taiwan quality. As a pioneer and expert of crimping tool, many customers cooperate with us to develop new crimping die set to have an advantage in the market. Just before we finish, I had a piece of good news to share with you guys. The good news is the new product is coming out this year. This tool is suitable for Yasaki type. We are very excited to show you what it is, so stay tuned. If you have any further questions you'd like to ask, please contact us. Our lovely team member will serve you warm. Thank you for your listening.